What if I tell you that humans are taking microplastic as much as weight of a credit card? Yes, it is true. Recent research suggests that humans are ingesting 0.1 to 5 gram of microplastic per week, which is roughly equivalent to the weight of a credit card. So what is this microplastic and how does it affect our body, and through what we are basically taking it to our body? Let's talk about it. So basically microplastic are tiny plastic particles जो कि 0.5 millimeters के साइज में होते हैं and they are widely spread in our environment जैसे कि bottled water, seafood, salt and processed and packaged food, even in air and soil. So microplastic basically two types के होते हैं, एक primary and एक secondary. तो प्राइमरी माइक्रोप्लास्टिक जो होता है वो इंटेंशनली मैन्युफैक्चर्ड होता है, जैसे कि माइक्रो बीड्स यूज्ड इन कॉस्मेटिक एंड पेस्ट एंड माइक्रोफाइबर्स विच आर प्रेजेंट इन सिंथेटिक क्लॉथ्स लाइक पॉलिस्टर. बट जो सेकेंडरी माइक्रोप्लास्टिक होता है वो ड्यू टू ब्रेकडाउन ऑफ एनी लार्जर प्लास्टिक होता है, लाइक यूवी रेडिएशन के थ्रू प्लास्टिक का ब्रेकडाउन होना, या फिर सर्टेन माइक्रोब्स के थ्रू डिग्रेड होना, या फिर नॉर्मली एनवायरनमेंट में जो प्लास्टिक बहुत देर तक पड़े रहते हैं वो डिग्रेड होके एनवायरनमेंट में मिक्स होना. सो माइक्रोप्लास्टिक का प्रेजेंट डे बाय डे हमारी डेली लाइफ में एंड एनवायरनमेंट में बढ़ रहा है. सो देयर आर फ्यू रिसर्चेस विच हैपेंड रिसेंट ईयर्स जो कि शो करते हैं कि हाउ दिस परसेंटेज इज इंक्रीजिंग डे बाय डे. तो WHO ने 2019 में एक रिसर्च पब्लिश किया एंड WHO फाउंड माइक्रोप्लास्टिक इन 83% ऑफ टैप वाटर सैम्पल्स कलेक्टेड फ्रॉम 14 कंट्रीज एंड नियरली एवरी ब्रांड ऑफ बॉटल्ड वाटर, जिसमें कि माइक्रोप्लास्टिक का परसेंटेज 0 to 10,000 तक पाया गया. ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फॉर इकोनॉमिक कोऑपरेशन एंड डेवलपमेंट ने 2022 में स्टेट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड माइक्रोप्लास्टिक नाम का एक रिपोर्ट पब्लिश किया, जिसमें कि उन्हें पता चला दैट 75 to 300 metric ton of microplastic could be released to environment by 2060, and that is a huge amount. A study in Pune in 2022 found microplastic particles in 65% of sampled ready-to-eat food. So ऐसे बहुत सारे रिसर्च एंड स्टडी वर्ल्ड वाइड किया गया एंड they are showing the same thing, the growing consumption of microplastic by human beings and increase in the microplastic particles in environment. So microplastic percentage in human bodies depend on the environment and the lifestyle that you have. Like a urban resident in India taking 50,000 to 80,000 of microplastic per year, while this percentage in rural area is 30,000 to 50,000. India microplastic consumption में comparatively other countries से थोड़ा कम है. Those countries which have high intake of bottled water and seafood have the higher exposure to microplastic. But in India, urban air quality is significantly contributing, like China, to the consumption of microplastic. So what are the health impact of microplastic in human body? First, microplastic in human blood and organ. The study of Environment International in 2022 detected microplastic in human blood for the first time. Common plastic like PET from water bottles and polystyrene were found in human blood, which suggests that microplastic can travel through bloodstream and possibly reach the organ. Secondly, inflammatory response in the gut. Study of Science of Environmental in 2023 shows that the ingestion of microplastic in animals led to the inflammation of gut, impaired nutrient absorption, and microbiome imbalance like IBS and inflammatory bowel syndrome. Thirdly, neurotoxicity and brain health. A study conducted by Frontier in Neuroscience in 2023 shows that mice exposed to polystyrene microplastic showed signs of oxidation stress and inflammation in brain tissue. Fourthly, cardiovascular risks. Microplastic may contribute to heart diseases by contributing vascular inflammation because a study by Circulation Research in 2023 found microplastic in arterial plaque sample of patients with atherosclerosis. Fifthly, reproductive toxicity. A research by Environmental Pollution in 2022 shows microplastic can disrupt the hormonal signaling and reduce the quality of sperm in human beings, which means it can affect the fertility of human beings. So these are few researches have been done worldwide to know the impacts of microplastic in human body. So what are the precautions should we take to not get affected by microplastic? Here are a few. First, support natural elimination route. Our body can eliminate microplastic through stools, urine, mucus by staying well hydrated, which promotes the kidney function and toxic flushing. Also eating high fiber food because fiber binds to microplastics and help move it through stools out of our body. Secondly, antioxidant rich food. Microplastic causes oxidation stress in cells. Food like berries, turmeric, garlic, green leaves and omega-3 fats contains natural antioxidants and detoxifying compounds which can help to reduce the inflammation by microplastic. And thirdly, avoid further exposure, like use glass, stainless steel, ceramic instead of plastic containers. Try to avoid processed food or packaged food and must avoid heating of food in plastic containers. Filter your tap water with a high quality of filtration. Very importantly, avoid heating food in plastics and eating processed and plastic packaged foods, and also drinking bottled water. Try to use natural fabrics more than synthetic fabrics, which can actually reduce the creation of microplastic. So these are few points or steps that we can take as precautions to minimize or reduce the percentage of microplastic consumption. Hope you like the video. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe and like and share the video. If you have any suggestion, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.